Hey everybody, welcome to RR Revamps. Thanks for joining us. I want you to take a look at what my kitchen used to look like. We did a DIY on it and it looks so much better now, but this is what it used to look like before. It was really ugly. It had orange countertops, an orange backsplash, and it was just very outdated. Notice how small the window was? The house was built in the 50s, and you can tell that orange was definitely a cool color, along with pea green for some reason. Here's what my floors used to look like, and they were just this ugly linoleum. So we wanted to rip out the floors and put something new in. So the type of flooring I wanted to do was something that was stone, and we wanted to incorporate gold in our floor because gold is the main theme in what we wanted in this kitchen. But we arranged all the stone pieces the way we wanted them to be and put them in. Here's what the gold emblem looks like that was in between each of the stone pieces. It turned out really awesome and looked so much better and was so much more classy and original than the floor prior. So moving on, we definitely wanted to change our backsplash. So this is the type of backsplash that we chose. We wanted lots of color and lots of gold. And the color tone on these tiles were really amazing. Now, before we could put the backsplash on, we had to paint the kitchen, get new appliances, and also new cabinets. See how much better the window was? It let in so much more light. We've got a bay window because the little window before was just way too small. So we decided to paint the kitchen fuchsia. This color, I felt, made the kitchen warm and yet bright and pretty. So after we finally painted everything and got all the appliances in and also the new window, we decided to go ahead and start with the backsplash. Window before, window after. So much better. So after we got the countertops in and the flooring in and all of the tile, we finally were able to do the backsplash. Are you ready? Dun da da dum! Here it is. This is the type of backsplash that we chose, and it looked amazing. It just brought everything together. The gold flooring, the gold backsplash, it really just made the kitchen pop and look just absolutely amazing and beautiful and gorgeous. Notice our countertops are granite, and they were very dark along with like these cobalt blue chips in it. It just really looked aesthetically pleasing to the eye. All in all, the kitchen makeover I felt turned out amazing, and it was great. I mean, it looks so much better and so much more modern. You're gonna have to let me know what you think of the remodel, the before and after. I have had comments that it was gaudy, but gaudy is good. And I like color in my house. I don't like just plain black and white. And a lot of people seem to like very boring colors. I like bright colors. So for me, this kitchen was perfect. Thanks for watching my DIY. I hope you enjoyed it, and please leave a comment down below and perhaps subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. Or give us a thumbs up. We appreciate you as a viewer, and thank you for watching us. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye now.